Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Mr. Crypto Tracker is here. I'm going to present you a very detailed technical analysis on Bitcoin and present you different possible scenarios to trade. So let's start from the monthly chart. In the monthly chart, you can see a very strong momentum candles to the downside, but after that we had a very weak candle which is a retracement, and this retracement couldn't even reach 50% of this candle, which shows the weakness. If the price was to drop, and we should identify some probable support areas. The first support would be this blue line around $14,000, and if this support cannot hold it, which I think it cannot hold it, and we will see, then we could see this support area around $12,000. But if the price wants to drop to the lower support, I expect to see a very quick test and come back from this support area. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame, the weekly time frames. So in weekly time frame, we had this support area here, very important support area, and the price showed a very nice bounce so far from this area. And the next important resistance, in my view, is the $13,000 to $13,500 area. If this rally can continue to the upside, I expect to see trend reversal pattern here, then starts to going downside. And also I find a more exact area if these times this support cannot hold the price and price drops below this level, then this red area, this red area would be a very exact area that I expect to see a bounce like this here. But there is no guarantee to see these lower prices, and it's only my view towards the market and what I expect to see. But let's go to the lower time frame, to daily. In daily, I tweeted last night or yesterday, I cannot remember exactly. This is my tweet. It was like 23 hours ago. It was yesterday, and I said on daily time frame it looks so bearish. In case it can break it to the upside, the next important resistance are on the chart. You can see the resistance I expect to see the price, and here it forms some sort of the tower top patterns, which is a bearish pattern here. So let's go back to the chart. Here we are. What happened? All right, here we are. Excuse me, something is wrong with my computer. It's super slow. I don't know why. Okay, sorry for the interruption. My computer was super slow. I don't know why. So here we are in the daily time frame. This is the box I showed you in my previous tweets, and as you can see, price drops below the low of this candle, and somehow it gives me the confirmation for lower levels. And yeah, you can better see the important areas I am looking for. I'm looking on these areas. If the price can go to the higher levels, the first possible reversal area would be here, and if it cannot reverse the price, then I expect to see a reversal here and go down. Okay, let's go to lower time frames. Still, we can go to lower time frames for those of you who are interested in intraday trades, scalps, and yeah. Let's go to 1 hour chart. This is what I tweeted. Let's go to Twitter and see what I tweeted yesterday about this pattern here. Okay, here is my tweet. Let me open this photo here in the tweet. Yeah, as you can see, I believe that this was a fake out, and I had an area here and said should reclaim this level to continue the upside trend, and there was a very tiny line here, dash line here, and I said a close below this line is a confirmation to enter a short trade. So let's go back on the chart. In this chart, this area was a very important resistance for me, and this candle engulfed this resistance, and actually it was the first time back to this resistance area after the price drops down to the lower support. And here in this candle I found a hidden gap, and the price shows a nice reaction to the hidden gap a few times. And also this resistance finally broke to the upside by the price, but price couldn't stay above it and dropped below this resistance with a very nice momentum candle to the downside. So again, I can see two engulfing area here, and also I believe this was a fake out. So here we can see price dropped below this hidden gap. This is a confirmation for me to see the much lower prices, and the first support that I expect to see a bounce, but a minor bounce, is this hidden gap in this very strong momentum candle. But I believe finally the price will drop to this support here area here. And also I believe that this support area, which was here, this area, showed an engulf here. And this time I think these two support area cannot hold the price, but let's see. Let's wait and see how the price will react. Tomorrow is a very important day, I think, in the market. It's a decision day. To me, it's a decision day. The Bitcoin will show us its final decision, whether it want to go up, or here was the local top around $24,600, and we are going to test the lower support. So let's see what will happen tomorrow in the market. I usually share my ideas on my Twitter. It would be nice if you follow me on Twitter, where I usually share my ideas here. And also I have a Telegram channel where I usually share my trade setups there with my friends, and we exchange our views there. We discuss about different charts, and it would be nice to have you there. So I will put the link to the description. Join me and let's trade together. Have a good time and see you on the next video.